Ready? Start.
Sir, I would like to bring to the notice of this August House and also the government a very serious matter in regard to sports, particularly hockey. Sir, the Indian Hockey Federation took a decision to withdraw from the forthcoming Champions Cup hockey tournament to be held at Karachi. Earlier, we informed the Pakistan government that we would be
Participating.
in this tournament. Now, why was this decision taken by the President of the Indian Hockey Federation, Mr. Mahajan, to withdraw from this tournament? According to the press report, government did not give any instructions to the Indian Hockey Federation to withdraw from this tournament. Then why did you take the decision? I am very sorry to say that it is most unfortunate that such an irresponsible person has occupied the chair in the Indian Hockey Federation. Did he consult the Ministry of Education or the Minister of Education or the other sports bodies? No, he did not bother even to inform as a matter of courtesy. The skipper of our Indian team, Mr. Bhaskaran, because the players were in the Bangalore coaching camp. The coaching camp was immediately disbanded. The players came to know about it from the press reports only. For 30 days they were in the camp. That is why they did not even participate in the Nehru hockey tournament, and also the newly elected secretary Mr. Passy did not know about this. He also came to know about this decision from the press reports. Next, I am very sorry to say that Mr. Mahajan has done this because of the changes in the organization. What is this? Is Mr. Mahajan going to play, or the players are going to play? This is a very serious matter. All the newspapers have focused this issue? What are the reports? In one of the press report, it is said the Indian Hockey Federation decision to pull India out of the Championship Cup hockey tournament was received with shock and disappointment by the probables who are under strenuous training here for nearly a month. Next, players and coaches were sorry that the decision should have come at a time when the team was in high spirits. They did not agree with the view of the Indian Olympic Association that the team was not adequately prepared for the championship. It is a reflection on the players and coaches who had been working hard for the last 30 days to bring laurels to the country. One of them commented, "We won the gold at Moscow Olympics."
Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.